Well, we're outside in the chicken coop. There's the new babies. That's a Barrett Rock Silky. Looks like a roux, but we will see, I guess. But oh, look, he was just trying to crow there, so definitely a roux, I think. I love the color of the gold one, but Skeletor looks even nicer. The middle one, the gray. This is Jess with the crooked tail. Hey, babe. Hey, babe. Chong's up in the rafters. And we got one of the white Brodies in the box, sitting on the eggs. Stanley's outside. So, like I was saying, we got eggs up in the rafters. Now, check this out. So there's a white one. Now they have all these nothing in any of those. I see they are gonna have to cut that off. But nothing up there. Must be something down probably. Yes, there's one over there. Hey, babe. She's just sitting on all the eggs. I don't know how many's in there, but definitely more than 8. A little bit of light coming through that I gotta fix for the winter, but other than that, it should be pretty good in here, I think, for the winter time. Gotta fix this insulation. Just gonna cut it and fold it in like I did these ones. But the new ones are, it's nice to see that they're using their perch. There's Marshmallow. A little floppy comb. There's Henrietta and Rosie. Can't tell which is who from here until I see their leg bands. Okay, so Rosie's the first one. Rosie's that one. That's Henrietta. And there's Sally coming. Marshmallow. And there's Daisy coming. The green one's Daisy. There's Snowflake. Purple one. And there's Stanley waiting his turn. Starting to be some thunder outside. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. I'm going to be fixing this here ladder up so that it's a little bit shorter and not taking up so much room. And what I would like to do is build a wall right straight across. And see that? You can see they have no trouble whatsoever flying. I'm going to end up having to snip their wings eventually, probably. But they're not really an outdoor bird anyway, so it's not a huge deal for them to have their wing feathers.